Base44 also lets you turn your app into a native mobile app for iOS and Android. Here's what you need to know. To publish on Apple's App Store, you'll need an Apple developer account. That costs $99 per year. For Google Play, it's a one-time fee of $25. The process works like this. Base44 packages your web app into a format that app stores accept. You don't need to learn a new programming language or use a separate tool. The app you've already built is the app that gets published. Now, a couple of things to be aware of. Apple's review process can take some time, sometimes a few days, and they have specific guidelines about what apps can do. So don't expect it to be instant. Google tends to be faster, but they have their own requirements too. The result isn't identical to an app built natively in Swift or Kotlin, but for most use cases, especially the kinds of apps you'd build with vibe coding, it works great. I'll link Base44's mobile publishing guide in the description so you can walk through the full process step by step. But the key takeaway is that the same app you built on your laptop is now in someone's pocket. Use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below to start vibe coding for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.